You can use the listen, play, pause, and stop tools to listen to your materials in Google Docs, Word Online, the Open Web, and Schoology. Let's first look at a Google Doc. Word Online has these same features. Begin by clicking on the Read Speaker for Schoology extension. Highlight the text to be read, and then click on Listen.
This is a Google Doc. The image below is the Tanglewood steel string acoustic guitar front and side views. Dominic Alves, CC by 2.0.
This is a great way to proof listen to your work, to catch left out words, unintended words like form, and from, and clumsy sentences. Let's navigate to a fossils page on the Science News for Students website. You will use the same process. Click on the Read Speaker for Schoology extension. Highlight some text. We will listen to the first 2 sentences, then pause the reading. Click Listen, and then at the end of the second sentence, click Pause.
This word describes the remains or traces of ancient life preserved in rock. Fossils can be animal body parts, like bones or teeth.
Let's continue listening through the third sentence. Click on the play or resume arrow, then at the end of the third sentence, click Stop.
They can also be ancient footprints, or the impression of a leaf left in stone.
This process can also be used with any area in Schoology. Click on the Read Speaker for Schoology extension. Let's read the title and description of this folder. Highlight the text, and then click Listen.
Getting Started, folder. This module is on how to get started using the Read Speaker for Schoology extension to read your PowerSchool or Schoology course.
Now you know how to use the listen, play or resume, pause, and stop tools in the Read Speaker for Schoology extension.